No filters, no expensive salon treatments, just real results. Today I'm sharing my secret routine that made my hands and feet unbelievably soft. People literally ask me what I use.
So let's get started. Double cleansing. First up, double cleansing. Use an oil-based cleanser to melt sunscreen and makeup. Then follow up with a gentle foaming cleanser to clean pores without stripping skin. Choose fragrance-free products to avoid irritation, dermatologist approved. Tips to get long nails. So first thing that can help a lot is massaging your cuticle area. Just like in hair care, massaging your scalp helps grow your hair. Get rid of yellow nails. If you have yellow nails, use lemon juice and baking soda to whiten them. Just apply the mixture to your nails and let it sit for a few minutes, and rinse it off. Please avoid this if you have any cuts near your nails beds. It will burn. Grow nails. If you want to grow your nails, you can make this treatment for your nails by mixing olive oil and lemon juice. Dip your nails in there for a few minutes. Do this once a week. It helps a lot with nail growth. Nail care routine. Firstly, wash your hands and clean your nails. Use a toothbrush and hand soap to clean your nails from the inside. I recommend you to use a scrub on your hands to remove dead skin around your nails. You can make your scrub by mixing oil and salt, but this is only to use around your nails. Don't use it on your hands. Try to exfoliate after every 3 days. Step 2, when they are completely dry, start cutting your nails to the right length and filing them. Pick a nail shape that you like. Step 3, then push back your cuticles. You can do this with a cuticle pusher or just use your nails. Step 4, then apply some clear polish to your nails if you want. I recommend you to not skip this, because it prevents your nails from breaking. Next, apply some acrylic powder on your nails. It prevents them from getting foggy. Now seal it with a top coat. Step 5, nextly, apply some cuticle oil to your cuticles. You can use castor oil or jojoba oil to speed up nail growth. You can also use Vaseline. Step 6, then, apply some moisturizer to your hands. Tip No. 8, apply jojoba oil or castor oil or Vaseline or baby oil every day before going to bed. To keep your nails moisturized all night and to speed up nail growth, make sure to massage it to promote blood circulation. Reasons for not growing a nail. Reason could be that you have some sort of deficiency. Vitamin supplements can help with nail growth. Just get yourself checked by a doctor. Third reason could be that you don't take proper care of them, so they break easily and don't grow. Protect them with gloves before washing dishes, and always wear a layer of nail polish to give them extra strength. You can use clear polish if you don't want to use colored one. Fourth reason could be you're not eating enough protein. Our nails and hair are made of protein. You can eat protein-rich foods like meat, fish, beans, chickpeas, and eggs also. If you aren't hydrated enough, your nails can dry out and break easily, so get your water, sis. Reason 5. Another reason could be that you don't give your nails rest. If you keep getting manicures all the time, it can damage your nail barrier, so give them some time to breathe. Reason 6, using nail polish removers with high acetone. Content can also dry out your nails and break them easily, so avoid those. Opt for an acetone-free nail polish remover. Reason 7, also avoid using nail hardeners or strengtheners. They make your nails brittle, which breaks them easily. Your nails should be flexible in order to not break. Avoid lifting heavy things. It can break your nails easily. Also file them properly, otherwise it can cause chipping.
Manicure at home.
Step 1, if you have an old manicure on your nails, first you need to file it off and remove your nails. Polish with some nail polish remover. Step 2, next, push back your cuticles and apply a base coat. It helps to protect your nails. Step 3, next, apply your fave nail polish. Now you can do your fave nail art design. There's a lot of inspo on Pinterest. Nextly, seal your design with a top coat. Dip a brush and nail polish remover and clean any mistakes you made. Step 5, how to fix a broken nail. Firstly, apply some base coat to the nail and then apply some acrylic powder. You can do multiple layers of this if you like. Then file your nails to even it out. Then apply some nail polish and you're done.
Next step is foot care. Regular cleaning. Use warm water and mild soap. Make sure to clean between your toes and dry them completely. Moisturize. Apply lotion or foot cream. Keep the skin soft and prevent cracking. Trim nails properly. Always cut your toenails straight across to prevent ingrown toenails. Don't cut to short. Leave a little length to avoid injuries and reduce the risk of ingrown nails. Foot powder. Use foot powder or antifungal powder to keep your feet dry and prevent from fungal infections. Footwear. Wear comfortable shoes that provide adequate support. Wear various types of shoes to allow them to air out and reduce the risk of fungal infections. Foot exercises are important for strengthening the muscles in the feet, improving flexibility, preventing foot pain, and maintaining overall foot health.
And that's it for today. If these tips helped you get softer hands and feet, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more glow up and self-care tips, and comment below which tip you'll try first. See you in the next one.